So what I've done is wrap the end of the toilet paper tube with foil, and then I'm going to take this and poke a quick hole in it. The other end has the parchment paper, aluminum or wax paper will work well, and I secured it around the end with a hairband. As you look at the lights, you can see the blue one, which is a single point of light on the right side of the video, and then the LED light, which has, I believe, 8 small little LEDs on the left. Now watch what happens when I put my pinhole viewer in between the camera lens and those lights. So the pinpoint blue light is now on the left, and the LED light with the 8 LEDs around there, which is white, is on the right. Can you figure out what's happening? What's going to happen if I make more holes? Try this yourself at home.